Hello, yes, I'm in today. My name is Darius Henry. I'm going to be walking you through this part of the course, and we have some great attendees in here today from the District of Seoul. Thank you for attending, all of the ladies and gentlemen that paid for the program so we can keep the operation going and keep the courses going and the research going. Thank you so much. I applaud you. And please hang your certificates high on your wall. Today we're going to be going through the SAM registration. Yes, so the small businesses in the community can go and get the big government contracts. It's billions of dollars available. So first what I want you to do is take your pen and piece of paper, and I want you to write down Sam.gov. Sam.gov. S as in Sam, A as in Angel, M as in Mary, .gov. Yes. Okay. I want you to go on Sam.gov. And I also want you to keep your pen and piece of paper near, and also go and get your EIN number. For you that do not have your EIN number, then contact us via whatever contact that you see listed below, or either website address where you may have to receive a contact number from the website. However, there should be some information below that show you how to get in contact with us or either one of our reps. So for those of you that have an EIN, let's go ahead and proceed. EIN is a employer identification number. So for those of you that have an EIN number, let's go ahead and proceed. And I want you to also go to sunbiz.gov. Once again, that's sun, like the sun in the sky. Sun, biz is biz.gov. Sunbiz.gov is the Secretary of the State's website where you have to register your corporation. I want you to go there because it's a chance that you may not know your date by heart, and it may be a question that asks you. The site at Sam's registration is updated all the time, so it may be a question that asks you when did your corporation first start. We want to be very accurate as possible. So yes, have that in your browser as well, along with your EIN number. Now let's go. Okay. We're going to create user, and you should already have your EIN number, your email address, everything laid out, sunbiz.org. Now when you come here on this site, just because it doesn't take you to the next site, it may be that you have cookies or something, just something blockage for you to go on. But go ahead and click login. When you click login, it's going to take you to another page. Perfect. And if you see something like how that screen just showed something that that it was an error and then it popped up, that's fine. Just go ahead and move forward. We're going to create account, and we're going to do this with New Jerusalem housing at reborn.com, and go into your email address, and we should make a mail if you need to confirm your email address. Okay, so now we have to log in. So go to your email addresses. We're going to stop the video for a second. Go to your email address and log in right now and click on your confirmation. You should be following along with us. We'll be back. Give us 1 second. Okay, real quick, you should see a no reply at login.gov. Click on that in your email because you went in your email to log in. Then you're going to click confirm email address. Okay, once your email address is confirmed, you're going to come in, create a strong password. We're going to stop it one more time just in case. We'll be right back. We're back. Right here, you're going to go ahead and place a password here. make sure that you have some numbers. Make sure you have some uppercase letters and at least one character. I would suggest you pick something that you always typically would remember, like a combination of your house number, the numbers to your house address, and then the name of the road that you live on. So you can combine that with any one of the character signs that you like, but just make it something that you always remember. Okay, so that says it's too short, so let's stop the video again, and it might say this for you too. So go ahead and start it back over. Actually, it said it's too short. Minimum is 12 characters, so it needs to be very long. So we're back again. There you have it. The only way that it's going to go through is if you have 12 characters. So you don't necessarily need to have a special character, but you do need to have numbers and letters to mix it up. Make sure you have 12 characters, meaning 12 of these dots here. Make it very easy. Let's move on. Okay. Alright, so let's just save that just to get it out of the way. Then application method setup, add a second layer of security, phone, combine backup codes. Let's just continue. I don't want to do all that. So, they're going to make me choose one. Get codes from an app on your phone, computer, or tablet. Get security codes by text or phone call. Go to the app on your computer. No app. I will give you 10 codes. I'll go ahead and do the phone. I'll do the phone. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There's no need to stop the video. Everybody in the video should have this contact anyway. I prefer text. And let's see. Yes, and it saved it. Okay, so you should receive a text as well. So put in your phone number just as I did. You can watch the video at your own pace. I'm putting in my code right now. This code will expire, so it doesn't matter. You try to put it in, it's not going to do anything. So successfully went ahead and added. Boom, I agree. So you need to click agree. It's the only button on the page. Move forward. Wow, time fly. We're 8 minutes in. Choose an account type. Okay, so right here, register. Update your entity. Create system user account if you need to. Request non-public data access for federal government system. Automate system pull of non-public data. Perform data transfer from SAM to your federal government system. Okay, so yes, we're going to be creating an individual. So make sure you remember that. Click on individual when you're creating. And if you have a lot of this stuff already automatically form filled, that is great. Just make sure that you have it in the email address that you want to use, which is already in place. So go here, primary communication. You can do email. I suggest email. Too many phone calls, but your situation may be different. Try to describe. Nope. Username. I don't want this. We're registering multiple businesses, so I would suggest always try to make all your names, usernames, the same, are very, very similar. I make it the same as the email address. So I stop right at the @ and go from there. Just make it very systematic. You should be able to bump your head and remember it. Okay, so stuff like, and what city do you need? So, what city do you meet? I'll be your parents meet. Okay. And I'm gonna pause there on some of the security stuff. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you take a picture of the security questions. I couldn't show you all because, of course, that's information you can't show. That's why it's called security questions. But make sure you take a picture of it. Send it to the same exact email that you register your Sam account with. Send it directly to the same email that you register your Sam account with, or write it down, or do both. It's best to do both. So here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a confirmation after you go ahead and sign that up. And it has no special confirmation code. So I'm just going to click done, and voila, I'm signed up. I am signed up. Okay, after creating your account, now it's account login to register to do business. Okay, now this is where the fun part starts. Let's go in here to do business, and it's probably going to be long enough where you all will have to watch 2 videos. It's about 15 minutes long. It's not nothing. It's definitely well worth it. Talking billions of dollars. That's definitely worth seeing if you'd be able to get a piece of that pie, Okay, so you're gonna come in, log in. You can read through the usage agreement, go through it, read it, learn it. Okay, so entity registration, register new entity. So you can see all I did was click on registration, then I click register new entity. Alright, so registration overview, core data, mandatory all registrations, types includes, done, assertion represents, start registration. And if you don't have a DUNS number, we're going to see they change it all the time. You can always, matter of fact, look, it has it here. Your DUNS, physical address of your entity. If you don't have one, you can request a DUNS number. Your taxpayer identification number 10, taxpayer name associated with your, Okay, and we'll go through more of that as we go through. If you don't have one. And actually, what you might want to do, just in case, like I say, they update the website all the time. You copy all of this, take it here, too much all in my business. But anyway, you take it over here and create a new one. So I took it to Word, I take it to Notepad, and you just copy and paste it. Just for backup. You're going to see me do this a lot, and it's going to just save you time and effort. And okay, so it did not. So I tell you what, disregard that. That didn't work. Sometimes you can still use click on the link, and it's a chance maybe I could have, but I don't want to take you all off too far off of the right page. So let's get back. Okay, this should still have these same links as well. So let's click continue. Alright, move forward. Business organization. Yes, it's a business organization. Federal, local, tribal, government. Why are you registering this entity to do business with the U.S. government? I want to be able to bid. I only want to apply for federal assistance opportunities like grants. So, and other financial aid.